how to quickly set up your hosting account. Now, in this video, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have already registered your hosting account and gotten an email from them with your login details and your name servers. So look for an email from your hosting account, either HostGator or Liquid Web. They would have sent you an email with your hosting account, and it's going to have your name server details. You're going to need that. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to log in to wherever you registered your domain name and go ahead and change your name servers. And it's really simple to do. If you registered your domain from GoDaddy, all you do is go back to GoDaddy's website, and then if you click on domains, over here on the left it'll say Manage My Domains. All you need to do is click on that link, and you're going to be brought to a page that's going to look like this. You're probably only going to have one domain name in there right now. So what you want to do is you just want to locate it, and then right here you see there's a little drop down right here, a little drop down menu. If you click on that arrow, you're going to see a link that says Set Name Servers. And what you want to do is just go ahead and click on that link that says Set Name Servers. And now all you need to do is, you can see it comes checked as standard. You don't want that because you're not using GoDaddy hosting, you're using an outside hosting company. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on that custom button, okay? And what you need to do is click on the link that says Enter Custom Name Servers. And from here, all you need to do is paste in. You're going to have been given at least 2 name servers from your hosting company. Go ahead and paste those name servers in here. So I'm going to paste in the name servers that I was given by my hosting company. I'll paste in the first one, and then I'll just go ahead and paste in the second one. And then all you need to do is go ahead and click on the OK button. This is very important. You need to do this. And then you also need to click on this link right here that says Save. So once you've done that, you can see right up here, there's a little check mark. It says Set Name Servers. And the request has been submitted. And it can take a few moments up to a few hours for the effects to take place. So go ahead and do that first. And once you've done that, you'll be ready to go ahead and move on to the next step. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into the address. Once your name servers have been changed over, give it a little bit of time, then you're going to want to go to the address that your hosting provider gave you that has your cPanel login. And chances are it's going to be your domain name /cPanel. And that's where I am right now. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead, enter in your username and then the password that they gave you. So we'll go ahead, enter in my username, and then I'll paste in the password that they gave me. And we'll just go ahead and click on the login button. And then you're going to be brought to a page. It's going to look somewhat like this. It's going to be your control panel or your back end of your website. Okay, and what we're going to do from here, the very first thing that we're going to do right now, and the only thing that we're really concerned with, is we're going to set up a quick email address so that we can get email sent to this particular, our new website, and so that we can have a professional looking email address that corresponds with our website. So what we're going to do is there are a couple different ways that you can go. If you want to get a full-fledged email account, what you can do is you can click on email accounts right here, and we can go ahead and create a new email address and create this account. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead, we'll call this Mark at Mark's Woodworking. I'll write in my password, and then I'll write in my password. Once we've added our password, we'll just go ahead and click on Create Account. And you can see that this account has now been created, Mark at Mark's Woodworking Tips. And what you're going to want to do is we can go ahead And we can configure our email client, like if we are on an Apple or if we're on Microsoft Outlook. You can see right here, there's all the directions on how to set up your email, depending on which email client you're using. Now, to be honest with you, when I create a new website, I do want to have a web address for this website, but I don't want to constantly be logging in just to check the email for this website. So what I'll do is, instead of creating a main email, what I do is I create a forwarder. And what's going to happen is any email that's sent to this forward address will then go to my main address. So what I do is I just click on add forward, and we'll create a new email address that's info@Mark's Woodworking Tips. And what you do is then you have it forwarded to your main email address, whatever that may be. So I type in my main email address, and then we can add forwarder. So now what happens is all email that's sent to info@markswoodworkingtips.info will now be sent over to proproductreviews@gmail.com, which is my main email address. And that's really all that we need to do inside of the back end for right now. Very easy to do, simple. You should have no problem at all setting up your email. And what's nice about the control panel is if we go back to the home screen here, if you need any help, they have a nice little getting started wizard here, and they also offer tutorial videos, so if you do need help. But like I said, I generally will just set up a forwarder. It's much easier, so I don't have to log into another account just to check my email. So that's all we need to worry about for right now.